हेलो स्टूडेंट, प्यारे बच्चों, आज मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ मैटर। मैटर क्या होता है? व्हाट इज मैटर? एनीथिंग विच हैज मास एंड ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस इट्स कॉल्ड मैटर। ओके, व्हाट इज मैटर? एनीथिंग विच हैज मास एंड ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस इट्स कॉल्ड मैटर। नाउ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मैटर्स आर बुक, टेबल, चेयर, पेन, पेंसिल. These are the example of matter. Clear? After this, characteristics of particles of matter. First characteristic, the particles of matter are very small. The particles of matter are, characteristic number 1, the particles of matter are very small. The particles of matter are very small. Number 2, the particles of matter attract each other. The particles of matter attract each other. Second point, the particles of matter attract each other. The particles of matter attract each other. Next, the particles of matter have space between them. The particles of matter have space between them. Clear? Third point, the particles of matter have space between them. Number 4, the particles of matter moving continuously. Clear? The particles of matter moving continuously. The particles of matter moving continuously. Okay, student, prepare it. प्यारे बच्चों, अब मैं आपको बता रहा हूं क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मैटर. ओके, वी कैन आल्सो से टाइप्स ऑफ मैटर. हेलो, मैटर आर ऑफ 5 टाइप्स. हाउ मेनी टाइप्स? 5 टाइप्स. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मैटर और टाइप्स ऑफ मैटर. मैटर आर ऑफ 5 टाइप्स. नंबर 1, सॉलिड स्टेट. Number 1, solid. Number 2, liquid. Number 3, gas. Number 4, plasma. Number 5, Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate. प्यारे बच्चों, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मैटर. नंबर 1, सॉलिड. Number 2, liquid. Number 3, gas. Number 4, plasma. Number 5, Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay. Number 1, solid. We will discuss about solid state. Solid state. The form of matter which have definite shape and definite volume is called solid state. It's called solid state. What is solid? Solids have definite shape, and definite volume. Solids have definite shape and definite volume. First point clear? Example, ice. Example of solid state is ice, stone, iron. Okay, clear? Now important property, we will discuss about the important properties of solid state. We can also say first property, पहली property क्या है? Solids have definite shape and definite volume. Second property, they have high density. They have high density. Clear? Property number 3. They do not move. They do not move. Property number 4. They are incompressible. They are incompressible. प्यारे बच्चों, प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 5. They have strong force of attraction. Property number 5. They have strong force of attraction. Property number 6. They have least intermolecular space. प्यारे बच्चों, प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 6 इज they have least intermolecular space. Okay, they have least intermolecular space. Intermolecular space. प्यारे बच्चों, सॉलिड के पार्टिकल्स के बीच में इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस होता है लीस्ट. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आएगा विच फॉर्म ऑफ मैटर कंटेन लीस्ट इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस. तो लीस्ट इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस किसमें होता है? सॉलिड स्टेट. वेरी गुड बिटिया, किसमें होता है? सॉलिड स्टेट. एंड विच स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर कंटेन मैक्सिमम इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस? गैस. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है, विच फॉर्म ऑफ मैटर, विच स्टेट ऑफ मैटर कंटेन स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन? सॉलिड स्टेट कंटेन स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. क्लियर? एंड विच स्टेट ऑफ मैटर कंटेन वीक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन? गैस. क्लियर? ओके प्यारे बच्चों, अब मैं आपको बता रहा हूं लिक्विड स्टेट. लिक्विड स्टेट, liquids have definite volume but not definite shape. Okay, what is liquid state? The form of matter. बच्चों साथ में लिखते भी जाओ ना, लिखते भी जाओ. The form of matter which have definite volume but not definite shape is called liquid state. Example milk, oil, water. Okay, or we can also say properties of liquid state. First property of liquid state is they have definite volume but not definite shape. Okay, they take the shape of the container in which they put. They do not have definite shape. They do not have definite shape. क्लियर? लिक्विड का जो शेप होता है वो डिफिनिट नहीं होता है. They do not have definite shape. क्लियर हो गया? सेकेंड पॉइंट वी कैन आल्सो से they have definite volume. They have definite volume. Third, they move higher level to lower level. Liquid move higher level to lower level. Lower level. Clear? Point number 4. They have less density than solid. They have less density than solid. Point number 5. They have more force of attraction than solid. They have more force of attraction than solid. Than solids. Number 6. They have more intermolecular space than solid. They have more intermolecular space than solid. Here, or dear student, you know very well examples of liquid state are water, oil or milk. Clear? Okay? प्यारे बच्चों मैं आपको बता रहा हूं गैसेस डू नॉट हैव डिफिनिट शेप एंड डिफिनिट वॉल्यूम. प्यारे बच्चों, गैसेस डू नॉट हैव डिफिनिट शेप एंड डिफिनिट वॉल्यूम. ओके? एग्जाम्पल हाइड्रोजन गैस, ऑक्सीजन गैस, नाइट्रोजन गैस. क्लियर? गैसेस, gaseous state. In gaseous state, particles do not have definite shape and definite volume. Example: hydrogen gas, nitrogen gas, oxygen gas. Clear? Properties of gases. Property number 1. They do not have definite shape, and volume. They do not have definite shape and volume. Example: hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, chlorine gas. प्यारे बच्चों, सेकेंड पॉइंट है they have very low density. Property number 2. They have very low density. They have very low density. Property number 3. They move in all direction. Gases move in all direction. Okay बच्चों, they move in all direction. They move in all directions. Property number 4. They are highly compressible. They can be compressed easily. Okay? They are highly compressible. Property number 5. They have weakest force of attraction. They have very less force of attraction between the particles. Or we can say they have least intermolecular force of attraction. Intermolecular force of attraction. They have least intermolecular force of attraction. Property number 6. Intermolecular space. They have maximum intermolecular space. They have maximum intermolecular space. Maximum intermolecular space. They have maximum इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस. प्यारे बच्चों, इसको प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए. ठीक है. लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल. ओके, गुड डे, टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.